8 English medium student, subject math, chapter 2, linear equation in one variable. Now, this is the exercise 2.5. Now we start question number 10. So first return 0.25 4f minus 3 0.05 10f minus 9. Okay, so this start now. First open the bracket, multiply here. What happened? So multiply, so open the first, remove the point. So 25 by 100, 4f minus 3. Okay, so 5 by 100, 10f minus 9. Okay, now here open the bracket means multiply one terms. So you multiply here 25 by 100 into 4f minus this multiply 25 by 100 into 3. Same to same, 5 by 100 into 10f. Multiply here 5 by 100 into 9. Okay, multiply. So here we know 25 4 is 100. Okay, 25 4 is 100 and 4 cuts, so remaining only 4f. Now here no cut here, so 25 this cut, but pointing, so don't be cut. 100, so easily for pointing. 25 is 75 by 100. Okay, now 0 0 cut. Here multiply here, so 5 by 10f minus here 5 nines are 45 by 100. Okay, so f 0.75, 0.5f, 0.45. Why? Because here 2 zeros, so 2 point cut, 1 2. Here 1 0, so 1 point cut, 0.5. Here 2 zeros, so 2 point cut. Now ff comes here, f minus going this side, plus going this side, so minus 0.5f. Okay, now here minus going this side, plus 0.75 minus 0.45. This cut here, how to cut? You saw properly 1.0f, because here 1 coefficient 1, here 0.5f. Okay, same to same here, 0.75 minus 0.45. This cut, f 10 0, 10 minus 5 5 0, 5 minus 5 0, 7 minus 4 3, 0.30. Now simplify here. What is the easy? So our term be 0.5f is equal to 0.30. Okay, now here remove the points. What happened? 5 by 10. Why 5 by 10? Because point after one digit. Here 30 by 100. Okay, so going this side, f is equal to 30 by 100, all the terms going this side, 10 by 5. This going this side, so रेसिप्रोकल, अपर डाउन, डाउन अप, न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर हो जाएगा, डिनोमिनेटर न्यूमरेटर हो जाएगा. So cut here 0 0. Okay, so here also 0 0 cut. Answer F is equal to 3 by 5. 3 by 5. Okay, this is the very important sums because your pointing sum is first time given, pointing sum. So first remove the points all, because point here 2 digits 100, point digit 100, and open the bracket. So 1 1 multiply here, and here open the bracket. So this multiply here, this also multiply 1 1 terms. Okay, and easy after pointing, and fill like terms after, and subtraction. Here also subtraction. So we get the answer. Okay, this is the question number 10, exercise 2.5. Okay, but do necessary. All the terms are written here. Okay, very easy, but practice one and more times. Okay, now question number 11 we start here. Okay, now this finished. Now exercise 2.6 we start now. 2.6 now start. First, read the question. Solve the following equation. Okay. Now, exercise 2.6. Question 1. 8x minus 3 upon 3x is equal to 2. Okay, this. So first here, what are you doing here? This multiply, divide going this side, so multiply. 8x minus 3 is equal to 2 into 3x. 8x minus 3, 3 to just 6x. Okay. Now, like term here, x-axis is the like term and number b other sides. We do here. What happened? So here, minus 3 going this side, so plus. Plus going this side, so minus. 8x minus 6x is equal to 3. Plus, minus, minus, plus, because between equal to signs. So, now here, 8 minus 6, so 2x is equal to 3. So x is equal to 3 by 2. This is the value of question number 1, 3 by 2. Okay. Now we start question number 2. Question number 2 now. Write the question. 9x upon 7 minus 6x is equal to 15. So first we here going this side, divide going this side, so multiply. 9x is equal to 15 bracket 7 minus 6x. Okay, divide going this side, so multiply. So 9x is equal to, we know multiply 1 by 1 bracket open, 15 7 105. Plus minus minus 15 6 19 x. Okay, now here minus going this side, so plus. So 9x plus 19x is equal to 105. Okay, so 9 plus 90, so 99. X is equal to 105. Okay, so here multiply 99 going this side, so divide. So x is equal to 105 by 99. These two terms divide by 3. Why? You check here. 1 plus 0, key of the 3. Vedic math. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 5, 6. So all the term addition. ऊपर का सबका एडिशन करेंगे तो 6 आता है. So 6 is come on the table number 3. तो 3 से कट हो सकता है. यहाँ भी देखो अब 99, 9 plus 9, 18. 18 भी 3 के टेबल में आता है. So 3, 6 18. So कट हो जाएगा. Okay. So here 3 से कट करेंगे. 3 3 is 9, 1, 3 5 is 15. Here 3 से 11, 33, 33 3 is 39. So our answer be here 35 by 36. So x is equal to 30 by 5 by 33. This is the answer. Okay, because this is not cutting. Okay, now question number 3. Here z upon z plus 15 is equal to 4 by 9. Okay, this is given. Now check here. Here z plus 15 and 4 by 9. So what happened? Cross multiply easily. So 9z 4z plus 15. Okay, cross multiply. Open the bracket. 9z 4z 15 4 is 16. Okay, now going this side, so what happened? Plus going this side, so minus. 9z minus 4z is equal to 60. Okay, so 9 minus 4, so 5z is equal to 60. Z is equal to 60 by 5. 12 5 is 60. So Z is equal to 12. Okay. Now here we do, this is the question number 3. Now question number 4. Question write down first. Question number 4. 3y plus 4 upon 2 minus 6y is equal to minus 2 by 5. This is the question. But properly check. If you mistake in the question, so don't be getting the answer. Okay. Now multiply cross. So 5 3y plus 4 minus 2 2 minus 6y. Okay, cross multiply. 5 3 is 15y, 5 4 is 20, 2 2 is 4 minus 4 minus minus plus 2 6 is 12y. Okay, now y terms we taken here. 15y plus going this side minus 12y minus 4 plus going this side minus 20. Okay, so 15 minus 12, so 3y, minus minus plus, but bigger sign, bigger here, 20 is minus, so answer be minus 24. Y is equal to minus 24 by 8. Okay, 3 is given. So 3 8 is 24. So y is equal to minus 8. This is the answer of question number 4. Okay, now we saw the question number 5 of this sum. Okay, so here very easy. Okay, for all the terms. So see properly. This is very easy because here only for multiply, cross multiply, like terms, all are so properly. And understanding the question. If you understanding the question, so answer be very easy for all of you. Okay, but method be fixed. Don't be change the method. Cross multiply all these terms. Okay. Okay. So do properly and practice one and more time. So easy you getting the answer. Okay. Any doubts? Any difficulty? So ask in my phone number. Okay. So very you taken very easily. Okay. Now here one sum be remaining, but do properly. Question 5 here, one sum. Question 5, do this. 7y plus 4 upon y plus 2 is equal to minus 4 by 3. Okay, this is the question, same time. So first multiply, cross multiply. So 3 going this side, so 3, 7y plus 4. Minus 4, this going this side, y plus 2. Okay, cross multiply. This going this. 7 3s are 21y, 4 3s are 12. Plus minus minus 4y plus minus minus 4 2s are 8. 21y minus going this side plus 4y. Okay, plus going this side minus 12y minus 8. Y terms 21 plus 4, so 25y. Minus minus plus minus 20. Now here plus going this side, so minus. So y is equal to minus 20 by 25. 4 5s are 20, 5 5s are 25. So y is equal to minus 4 by 5. Okay. This is the exercise 2.6. Easy method. Okay. Very easy, but understanding cross multiply. Okay. So easy. And minus 4, okay, not be doing minus 3 because denominator not a minus here in the question. So 3 only go and minus 4 going same to same, y plus 2 going this side. Open the brackets, so easy you getting the answer. Okay, so all doing this easily, all the students. Okay, but practice more than. If you are doing practice, very getting the answer. Okay. Jai Swaminarayan.